Hey guys, this is Ishmeal Lamptey, and guess where I am today? So I'm actually somewhere on top of the Aburi hill mountains over there. And I actually came with one, should I say YouTuber? He's actually a YouTube star. He's a filmmaker. He's a cinematographer, and I must say he actually reached out to me through an email and wanted us to have some collab, and I thought it was a great idea. So we decided to come all the way through to the hill over here to film something. Want to as a creative, you always have to film something. That's why we are here. So that's him.
Yes.
OBL.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome to today's episode on Ishmeal's channel. I'm very excited to be here today. Like he said, I actually reached out to him to come film his experiences. In fact, I've been following him for a very long time now, and when he bought a drone, I was actually very excited for him. Ironically, it wasn't me, but I just feel excited because I love drones so much. So when someone gets into the hobby, I get so excited for the person because there's a lot the person can learn, and there are lots of ups and downs, and that's what makes the whole hobby very interesting. If it's always flat or it's always smooth, then that doesn't make it interesting. But what makes it interesting is the ups and downs, and for me it's like a true representation of the life that we live, because life isn't always smooth, and that is what makes flying drones unique for me. So just sit back, relax. I'm sure you are going to learn a lot from this video.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I'll be flying a drone over here. I'll see what I can get. I'll be able to get from flying, and I'll share with you as usual. And that's
Modesta.
That's Modesta. So Modesta will be starting a YouTube channel very soon.
You should watch out for a YouTube channel from Modesta very soon. All right, so we are going to get into today's video. See you. So at this point, I'm trying to take off. I've done all the necessary prerequisites that I need to, do. So at this point, I'm going to take off and let's see what I'm going to get from the skies. Yeah, wish me luck. Battery at this point. So on today's video, my camera name is Modesta. Modesta is doing the filming. This is the first time doing some. Oh man, I'm trying to take off this battery. And, all right, so I got it out. Yeah. So let me just. Ta-da! my last battery for the day, and then I'll be out of here.
Okay. I'm on.
Okay, so I was trying the active track, but there's a powerless feature, so I couldn't try Alright, so I'm actually done for the day. I did run out of battery with this particular battery, so I had to, land the drone. But it's been amazing so far. Like, I like what I have seen so far with the drone. And
yeah, it's really been amazing. I think it's actually time well spent out here in the field. Like I said, knowledge is infinite. No matter your level, there's always something new to learn. I mean, being here to just witness what Ishmeal was doing, I know a lot of them, but it keeps reminding me that you still have to do some of these things. I always say, getting or visiting the basics in every craft is very, very important.
Yeah.
Because at times when you are up there, you begin to lose sight of some of the very basic things, very, very basic principles that guard whatever endeavor that you are. I'm going to be sharing the full version of my experiences and whatever I've learned, the technical aspects of this video on my channel, which is the African Amaze channel, so you can check it out. And on my channel, I'll have a link to this video, and I'm sure Ishmeal will have a link to my video as well in the description below. So just check it out. And as usual, guys, we are doing all this because of you guys, so just endeavor to click on the subscribe button. It goes a long way to help us to make such awesome content. And thanks to Modesta, who has been behind the camera. Yes, she has done, she has been amazing out here in the field. So that's it from my side.
So basically he said everything. Kindly do want to check out his channel and then try to subscribe to his channel. I see, like, I'm actually, I really watched one of his videos and I was very much impressed about what I did see. I think you should also do same also and do subscribe to his channel, of course. And if it's your new time here on my channel, you should try your possible best to subscribe as well. And then there's going to be a link in the description of this video to his video telling his version of this entire experience. So that is basically just about it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.
Thank you, OBL.
Yes, for making this happen. And then thanks a lot to Modesta behind the camera, brother. So that's just about it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.